Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey everybody, good morning. Market is open.
Music licensing
Was just
reimagined.
taking a look at financial juice here. Looks like we don't got a whole lot going on today. Some manufacturing PMI may have a little effect on the market. That's at 9:45 East Coast, 10 a.m. East Coast. ISM manufacturing PMI. Other than that, it looks like about it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, let's see. Getting everything going here. Hop on over to ES. I'm just gonna grab a coffee here real quick. Be right back.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Good morning, good morning.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right, we're just trying to get this. Hey, morning. You're gonna put in the Russell, eh? Okay. We had a pretty big sell-off last night, so seems like you're on the right side there, Luke. Hey, Darren.
Music
Good morning.
licensing reimagined.
Or should I say, good afternoon for you? I ended up finishing the day yesterday pretty good. I'll show you guys my calendar real quick. So ended the month pretty nice with 1.72K yesterday. So up 7,025 on the month. Pretty good, pretty good. Kept my losses a little smaller last month, except for the Monday morning loss where I hit 3K, but other than that, it was every loss was under $200. So We got a couple of sell balls there that looks like they kind of got absorbed. That was, I guess, probably pre-market.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
I'm gonna get my VWAPs going here on my trading view chart. Make sure it's all lined up properly. Go with yellow.
Music licensing reimagined.
Get YM up here also. YM's looking pretty strong right now. Pretty bullish rip out of the gate here.
Artlist.io.
We got NQ sitting right at the point of control.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is gold here. Let's get rid of this opening range high. Pretty bullish 5-minute candle out of the gate here. A little cold this morning. Let's get some other tunes going here. Sheesh. Taking a look at the orders, look like we're pretty stacked above. We got some at 27, 30, 32, 35. Anything notable past that? Not a whole lot. So short-term target definitely up in the 30s.
Music licensing reimagined.
We're just above value area high, and then we have a point of control up at 68.28. Oh, excuse me.
Artlist.io.
Well, 80% setup is done. Rid of these guys. 68.48 value area high.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, rejected off the PLC there. back below previous day low. And we got 15 seconds on this candle here. Do you feel like when gold goes up, the market goes down? Gold is more secure? Yeah, it typically goes in opposite directions. But I've seen it also run with the market, so it kind of can do the opposite. Depends on sentiment, I guess, in the market. Yeah, typically when gold's going down, market's going up, and vice versa. From what I noticed, and right now gold did sell off pretty good in the last little bit here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we do have PMI today, guys. So I mean, it's not like a lightning folder, but it is a red, labeled red, and that's at 9:45 and 10 a.m. East Coast. So keep that in mind. Yeah, spies breaking the VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Trying to follow my morning rules. I usually don't take a trade till after 15 minutes range is set. So we got like 4 minutes here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, guys. Well, kind of sort of stuck in the middle of the range right now. Obviously, still early, but this is our range here so far. As soon as this candle closes, we got 1 minute and 58 seconds here left on this guy.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pushing the lows right there. Gold is also pushing down pretty hard.
Artlist.io.
YM's popping up. ES kind of popped up and sold off, and NQ selling off. So got a bit of a mixed bag this morning. Hey Zar, good morning. How are you?
Music licensing reimagined.
Gold's been selling off pretty nice all morning. Basically popped up to the 300 level and rejected, and been going down ever since. About 40, 46, 44 points. We got on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin's down at 86K. Pretty huge sell-off last night, actually, on Bitcoin, guys. Went from like 91 to 86. And looks like we got our first PMI coming up here in 10 seconds. Beware. Yeah, hopefully this session can make it great. Yeah. So we just got US S&P manufacturing PMI. It looks like it's a beat. Those a couple points higher than what they were thinking. So not bad, not bad. Didn't really do much to the market. We do have another PMI here in 15 minutes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Tried to put an entry there on the long here. Might end up missing it though, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm not going to chase that now. That's too bad. Could have made a few points there. 21 to 24. It might go all the way up to the POC, but my idea was sort of to grab it on that momentum there up to the previous day low.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, there we go.
Reimagined.
Pretty strong there. We did get a sell ball up there. 27. NQ starting to look strong too here. YM.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I did take a long here on my in YM on big contracts of YM. My stop's already break even since we're popping up pretty nicely. Gonna be pretty aggressive here if we get up over if we can get up over this 600 here. Come on, don't pull back here. Shoot, missed it. Kind of wanted to drop it up at the 600s there. It might get stopped out now, unfortunately. I mean, it'll be a green trade no matter what, but hopefully we get some more continuation. Nope. Shoot, missed it, guys. I was too slow to drop my stop up there. I think I only made like $9 or something on that trade. Should have put my sell order up there at the 600s. Would have been taken out. Oh well.
Artlist.io.
$30 seconds left on this. Okay, candle.
Music licensing reimagined.
You're waiting for 813 or 808 to long on ES. Patience now. So did you get in that trade there, Darren? Or oh shoot, there we go. Now Dow's all the way back up at the 600s. That's too bad.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, 822, 825. Yeah. Kind of a VWAP. Hold of the VWAP maybe.
Artlist.io.
Pretty bullish at the moment.
Artlist.io.
Got some room to value area high.
Music licensing reimagined.
We do have that other PMI coming out though, guys, so keep that in mind in 9 minutes.
Artlist.io.
Damn, guys, I screwed up on that YM. Stopped it out, and it ripped all the way up to 650.
Reimagined.
Look at that. Stopped slightly in profit, and look at that, up to 650. And I was in like the full size contract, so those are $1 per point, I think. Or no, it's $5 a point. So 81 to 56, 70 points. $350 would be roughly right now. They shook me out. Gotta forget about that. Don't let that cloud my judgment. 7 minutes here till the next PMI comes out, so everything's looking pretty bullish at the moment though. And our first PMI was a beat. Like they put a better number than they were thinking, so this one's a US ISM manufacturing PMI is next.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, MES is looking pretty strong at the moment. NQ is looking pretty strong at the moment. Went long 68.29, and the retest of the red volume ball moved my stop too soon. Break even. Need to work on that. Yeah, I did the same thing sort of in my Dow trade there, my YM trade.
Artlist.io.
It's easy to want to protect your position and try not to like take a loss, right? But yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
We'll just wait here for another 5 minutes and see what happens up here, guys. You should quick scam dump. Yeah, you never know.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just ripping on those indices right now, though. But yeah, kind of just need to wait for this to play out here.
Artlist.io.
I'll bid the scam dump if it happens. Not financial advice.
Artlist.io.
Like try to get into a buy position if it pulls back hard. Right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Coming up on value area high. Value area high was turned into some pretty nice support on Friday.
Artlist.io.
Kind of like was a resistance at first. We ended up popping up. We ended up holding it. We sold off a little bit below it and then popped up higher to previous day high. So I could see that being a bit of a key area. We do have a bearish fair value gap up there still. Also,
Music licensing reimagined.
printed a green volume ball there. Kind of been going sideways since then. We got PMI here in 2 minutes. Set limits and pray. NFI, right?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Taking partial on orb for NMQ first trade. Hopefully we don't fall back into range. Nice, Sar.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, NQ is looking pretty good at the moment. I mean, all three are looking pretty good at the moment. Let's go down to the one here. What's our 45 candle? All right, so that is the correct range.
IO.
10 seconds on the PMI, guys. See what happens here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So a little bit of a beat on the US ISM at manufacturing. They suggested forecasted 49 and came in 48.2. So not a whole lot of volatility anyways, so looks like they already shook it out.
Music licensing.
Do you have this bullish fair value gap here? Get rid of these guys.
Artlist.io.
All right, so I don't think we really have any more news coming up. Nothing noteworthy anyways. Yeah, so we're pretty clear now, I think.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of erasing that sell-off already, hey guys?
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Maybe we had like the accumulation through there, then manipulated it up and down, and now we're gonna head higher and distribute. But I think that they wanna, if they're going to keep us ripping, they're gonna want to take this high at least. Kind of have a double top right there on MES. Pulling back currently into this fair value gap here. Looking like they're getting a little bit of support there. See here, I'll put my stop below point of control. It's 8 points. Let's hope we don't get burnt here. Try to be aggressive on this guy if we're start popping up a bit here. Try to take profits pretty quick. Let's
Music licensing
sell 2 up here. Then we'll bring the stop to break even if this hits. One minute left on this 5-minute candle. If we end up closing below 32 here, I'll probably try to get out pretty quick. Just take the loss.
Artlist.io.
See if we can't bounce it up here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Should get a faster reaction than that though. 16 seconds left here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, not looking that great. I'll put my stop right there at the value area or point of control.
Artlist.io.
Put my stop at the bottom of this candle here. Just one sec, guys.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Sorry, guys. Are we gonna pop up here or what? Kind of feel like flattening this trade right now. Just not really. I mean, we're not going lower, but we're not really been going any higher either. So.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, rejected off this previous body low. Come on, ES, let's go. I'm gonna put my stop in here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Don't trust it. Let's try to get a little bit more here. Let's follow this up here. Okay, anyways, 2250. Just wanted a better, faster reaction on that. And I was just looking at NQ, and NQ and YM were both printing bearish candles. So just to be cautious. Just to be cautious. I feel like I gave it enough time to work. Like how long? That was almost a 4-minute trade. So felt like I gave it enough time to work a bit. Might still go, but when I looked over and I saw what Dow was doing, and I saw ES or NQ was also printing a pretty bearish candle, I was like, eh. Let's get out of this with some money, some profit.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Definitely could have squeezed a few more points out of that one. Was up two points higher. We do still have orders above, guys. 40, 42, 45, and then some up at 50. It looks like the orders at 50 are there's no algo there, so those might be real orders.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Sorry guys. Doing a whole lot of nothing so far. Been holding this fair value gap though, guys. We got 2.25 minutes here on this 5-minute candle. Trying to hold this fair value gap. YM pulled back pretty hard. So I don't know if YM's going to be the leader and it's going to draw us down here. Today, slightly feeling like a holiday. Yeah, the price action is after that initial little pop there, boom. Then we're just kind of like, not really doing a whole lot, just choppy. Might be a choppy Monday.
Artlist.io.
Maybe we'll get some sort of a cleaner move like in a few hours from now. Oh, sorry. We do have a volume ball that popped up here at 68.32.25.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what are you guys thinking? Zar, you're still obviously holding that NQ, I think. Although we are in the range a bit. I don't know where your stop is.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Holy sideways, guys. YM starting to go lower here. I almost took a short here on the YM earlier.
Artlist.io.
Would have been a real nice trade. Gonna go test that New York right now, guys, and which is also the top of the range here. Canada reaches deal to join EU's 150 billion defense scheme. What the heck is that? Canada's so stupid, man. Our prime minister's so dumb. He's just trying to give all the money to all the other countries and inflate his assets. Oh, so sick of it. And then the guy who I like is Pierre Poilievre. He did a roast over like I don't know if it was on the weekend. I guess it was on the weekend, a couple days ago. Anyways, he did a roast where he roasted like our prime minister. He roasted a bunch of people in the CBC. He roasted himself. That was pretty funny. So I'm guessing that you probably might be getting out of that short or that long, Czar. Be careful here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Trying to hold that VWAP.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So looking like we got 10 people in X and 5 people in YouTube. We got 4 in Randy's channel and 1 in my channel.
Artlist.io.
I'd share my channel there to everybody who's in everyone who's in the Randy's channel there, in case they want to know that there's the Market Butcher over here in a different channel.
Reimagined. Artlist.io.
Geez, guys, that Dow would have been printing money right now. 683 down to 500, 183 points. And yeah, that's too bad. That's too bad. These full-size contracts on YM, they can really print you good money. $5 a point.
Artlist.io.
Yeah,
Music licensing reimagined.
not what I was hoping to have happen for us here today. Previous day low, trying to hold that right now. We have a bullish fair value gap, sort of right there, hey guys? So we're currently actually in a bullish fair value gap right there on 5. Let's keep an eye here, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't really want to take a trade inside the range here though. Oh darn, just got caught and stopped out on the long. You just took a new long there, Czar? I mean, I think the longs are still going to be happening here. We just, let's see what happens once we get up above this.
Artlist.io.
We're going to grab a quick coffee here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Refill. I'd like to see us take this PLC here, which is lining up with the New York VWAP.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, that was a pretty big sell right there. Big swipe lower. I think NQ looked a little more drastic there.
Artlist.io.
We took the long at 25.335 and took the stop. Oh yeah, that went down pretty far actually, eh? 335. What do we have at the low of this candle here? For some reason, my open, high, low, close isn't showing my chart here, so let's double check this.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, why isn't it showing it? We got 23 seconds here, guys, on this candle. Let's see if they're going to invert this fair value gap or not. Down below previous day low. I'm trying to hold it currently, but they did that earlier too, right?
Artlist.io.
Pretty heavy selling here. YM has made a new low, guys. Initial balance just set. So this is initial balance high.
Music licensing reimagined.
IB high. And their IB lows over here. So we close that inside there. Very interesting here. But the thing is, YM is just heading lower, guys. So dude, I went short at 68.30 after the second green volume ball filled. Got stopped at break even by a tick. 2 trades that should have been green. Better than red, I guess. Yeah, for sure. I mean, make sure if you're gonna put your stop in there, just try to at least capture a couple bucks anyways, right? That's Nick's style of trading. He's always like maybe those two didn't really they kind of negatively impacted your profit, but sometimes those are going to really save your ass too, right? Sometimes it saves your ass. Yeah, it's a bit of my problem too. It's like sometimes I gotta just like let the trade play out, set your stop, and just kind of like leave that risk on.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, this price action isn't very easy right now. Not really cooperating for us here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, we had a huge 1 hour fair value gap on that initial pop in the morning. And that's why I think that's why we rejected so hard. We got up to, 2/3 of the way up on that fair value gap on the 1 hour and then head lower. We do have a bullish fair value gap down at 8.19, 8.18, 8.19. So kind of where we bounced here. There's a small 1 hour fair value gap there. Let's see if they're going to erase that on this continued pullback. We still got 26 minutes on this candle though, so I would say it's probably going to erase that one. The 4 hour here, not seeing nothing specific on the 4 hour. There's definitely a bearish. There's a bearish. We're in a bearish 4 hour fair value gap currently.
Artlist.io.
Got to trust your executions. Both break-evens would have been more than 10.2. Yeah, I know, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
I was thinking about taking a short there too. Heading down to IB low here.
Artlist.io.
We do have these lows here, 806 and 803. could be our target to the downside.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just got a new print in this new candle here. See what happens here on the IB low. We got this for value here now, a bearish one. See how this candle ends up playing out here. You had a nice short on BTC since London. Nice to see it work out now. Nice. Yeah, I mean, when I looked at Bitcoin earlier, it was really falling. Oh, we're down to 84,000 now. We were at 86 earlier. So it's been in the last day and a bit.
Music
We were up at 91K and now we're at 84. So 10K drop in like, you know, the last, what time was that? 1500. So since Sunday. Getting a nice bounce. Okay, so this guy's not even there on this 5-minute chart here. But this guy got inverted, right? It was green, so we got this one yellow. So this one's now yellow.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I signed up to be an affiliate with TradeZella, but it doesn't seem like maybe I haven't been approved or something, but I do have one click so far. I don't know. Let's copy this here. I'll throw it in here in case you guys want to check it out. There's a TradeZella link to a discount code. Even if you guys would do me a favor and just click that link, that'd be sweet.
Artlist.io.
Stuck in the range here, sort of.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think this was our range here.
Artlist.io.
Kind of want to take a short here on this, but that's pretty strong candle, although we ended right at the VWAP. No? Did you hear something?
Licensing reimagined.
That would have been pretty dope, though. Maybe it's my shoe? It was a shoe. So what are we looking at here, guys? We got we had a buy ball at 60 contracts and then a sell ball at 50 contracts shortly after it. So kind of a little mixed bag of ideas here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Buy ball, we had the sell ball. We popped up a bit more and then pulled back. Did I? That's funny. So we did invert this though again. So I don't know how we look at this anymore, because it was originally it was a bullish and then it got inverted, right? With this closure, and then now it inverted it back again. So I guess we just delete that, but I feel like it's still a, you know, kind of a key area.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just still in this range here. If we can get a nice closure above the opening range here. I looked at the camera with a guilty face. That's so funny.
Artlist.io.
Jordan's trying to throw me under the bus here, guys. Help!
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, NQ. Yes, what are we doing here? Not the strongest move though at this VWAP, hey? Kind of have half a mind to try to short it here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
See what's gonna happen here. Are we gonna just pull us straight back, or what's going on here, guys? What do we got?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
See if they can't pop us up above this VWAP here again. There we go. Let's go.
Music Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, let's go. I took a YM long here, guys. I just got stopped out actually in the profit. So did 160 bucks there.
Artlist.io.
Kind of entered long here, added, ended up losing a little bit on that that last contract there, but multitasking here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we still got, looks like we got 2 in my YouTube, 1 in Randy's YouTube, 10 in Nick's X, 7 in Randy's X, and 0 in mine. My X is not popping off, guys, at all. It's all good. Pulling back here now. Good thing I closed that that YM trade where I did. I trailed the stop up there, and I always forget. You gotta always exit and cancel your orders on Trade-A-Bait. Don't forget to do that, guys. You can get smoked. So I got this. This is actually a new. This is a new 150K account. So I took. I made 800 yesterday on it, and then so I'm basically up another 170-ish today on that trade. So this guy's got to get to 9K. So I've been trading minis with this guy, so that's why I'm on the YM here.
Artlist.io.
You know, looking like there's not a whole lot of action going on here, guys. So I would say flat is not a bad idea right now. The YM is moving a little bit more than the ES and NQ currently. That's kind of why I've been taking a couple trades on the side chart there.
Artlist.io.
So I'm not really looking to take any trades here in the range right now, guys. So you guys know that I have like 6 Lucid accounts. 5 of them are test accounts. So I've been yesterday I was trading my number 4 account. I got 450 in there from yesterday. These 2 accounts, it's number 4 and number 5. They're kind of like laggers. They're a little bit. I got them later. So this one's up 1,271. This one's up 1,600. So I've been kind of like being a little more aggressive on these 2, and like whichever one gets closer to the others, because the others are all above 2,000. So this one's 2,600. I need 400 basically for that one. This one's only 250 away from passing. Number 3 is 590 away from passing. So I'm just trying to get,
Reimagined.
I'm just aggressively trading number 4 and number 5 sort of to get it back to that area, or get them, you know, get it around 2K anyways, and then I'll start grouping those back up again. So, and just going back down to small size to like chip away to that, try to pass those. And then I have my one Lucid Direct. This one's up 567 currently, so
Artlist.io.
around 5 right now. Oh yeah, so we do have this bearish fair value gap here on the 5, which we're kind of flirting with right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looking for an inversion here, which could tell us that we're going to probably head back to these highs at least anyways. Oh guys, I do have a pretty busy morning, so I'm not going to be streaming as long today. I got to make some phone calls. I got to go meet a client.
Artlist.io.
There we go. Look at that. Taking that nicely. For some reason, I don't see the YM popping up very much, though.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice momentum here, though. Feel like it's chasing, though. I mean, we might end up still going higher here.
Artlist.io.
Just too slow. Should have been in the 30s there. I mean, it might just keep going, but when is it going to stop is the question.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Look at that candle, guys. NQ just took value area high. I just feel a little handcuffed right now.
Licensing reimagined.
What are we going to do here? Now YM's looking pretty strong.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that's too bad, guys. That was a nice trade. Anywhere in that entry on that momentum there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
We're going to get a bit of a pullback here, maybe. Printed it, obviously starting to form a potentially a big fair value gap here.
Artlist.io.
Wonder where Nick is today. I haven't seen him. He must be busy with his villa. With the
Music
villa.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Zach Arbucci on Prop Firm Match is giving away a couple accounts right now. 3 minutes left on this candle here.
Artlist.io.
Are you in any trades right now, Zar? Pretty bullish fair value gap there.
Licensing reimagined.
Pretty large one.
Artlist.io.
Kind of got a bit of a divergence right now too, as NQ made a new high and ES hasn't.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Looks like Amazon, AMD, and Nvidia are looking pretty bullish. Nvidia is the one that's the strongest right now. It's kind of pulling up our NQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see how this plays out, guys. I got into a short here on the YM. Nicely in profit here. We're up 110 bucks. Gonna start trailing this down a bit in case we decide to bounce here on this VWAP there. I do have my profit TP right at this 500 level. Oh, it looks like we're gonna get taken out right here. There we go, we're out. So captured a little bit more money there, 980, about 40-50 bucks anyways. It's all good. Why did everything go away? Hate when that happens.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry about that. Every freaking chart disappeared. There we go.
Artlist.io. Music
Got 10 points long, 2
reimagined.
micros on that swipe down. Limited one at 81.87 and one at 8.13. Nice. Out at 8.25. Very nice. I guess you said probably 8.17 and 8.13, right? So you might have accidentally put an extra 8 in there.
Artlist.io.
Average 2 micros at 8.15. Gotcha. Yeah. Very nice. That's way down there.
Music
Savage.
licensing reimagined.
8.13 to 25. Nice. Yeah, that was a nice candle to trade for sure.
Artlist.io.
Nice. 10 points is dope. So yeah, two micros, 10 points. 10 times 2 is 20, times 2 is $40. Very nice. That was a nice clean trade though. Gotta like those ones. Probably went pretty quick right to your profit target.
Artlist.io.
Oh, good morning.
Music
Hello,
licensing
Amanda.
reimagined.
22.30. Hopefully we don't get a pullback now. Got entry at break even and going to just chill now. Where did you get long at there, Czar?
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, well, it looks like YM's starting to push up higher here, guys. Back up to the 50% of that whole move in the morning.
Artlist.io.
Most of the orders are above there at 43, 45, and 50. Take a quick look at NQ here on the book also. Looks like 550 is sort of potential target there.
Music licensing reimagined.
25,319 off opening range high. Nice. $319. Nice. Yeah, you're up real nice. You're up like 80 points.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Got 450 above with orders. Starting to pull back a little bit here into this fair value gap.
Artlist.io.
Sitting right on value area high right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of want to try long here, but just not really sure how far this is going to pull back. And it's starting to get pretty strong. So
Music licensing reimagined.
no, I'm going to try a small short here, or long here. Just stop a little bit below this fair value gap. We can bounce up a little bit here. Put our stop right at the top of that wick.
Artlist.io.
And we'll put our TP sort of up here. 92. Let's go front run the 90s actually. We'll put it at like 89.25.
Music licensing reimagined.
Added one there at the bottom of that fair value gap. Pretty much that'll be the maximum position there. Might still come down and stop me out. Not that far away. So one little slap lower where we'd be taken out here. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna take us out here. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Well, I might have been a little too close on that stop though.
Music licensing.
Should have probably gave it a little bit more space. This is my problem when I trade NQ, is I just never put my stop. Never give it enough space on my stop. I always seem to get stopped out. I don't know. Not very good at like, look at that, guys. That's pretty sad. What a bugger.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
If it goes all the way up to here to the 98.89, that's pretty sad. Literally to the tick almost, I think, on my exit there. I mean, obviously they could still go lower here. What did it sell it at? 48.75. Oh my god, it went down 0.25 lower than that. And we were in at 60, 68 and 61. So 68 would have been slightly in the red still. I think we were about 65 right there. So I'll be right back, guys. Give me 1 sec here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Got stopped out, hey, on that trailer. Yeah, it's a trappy day for sure. Like pretty big sell off there off of the highs, right? and now we inverted this guy, so this is
Music
definitely
licensing reimagined.
not very nice. So technically, or sorry, this was off that bullish one. So did we invert that there? Looks like maybe we didn't actually invert it on that candle. Right? Yeah, we did not invert that. I don't know if that really matters. It was so close.
Artlist.io.
So close. So hey, what's up everybody in the chat? We got 17 in X, 2 in my YouTube, 1 in Randy's YouTube. So 21 viewers this morning. I had like about 200 people pop into my stream yesterday for the Sunday session. Ended up having a pretty good day. I got about 1,700 in profit, although what was it? About 1,200 of that was in evaluation accounts. So
Artlist.io.
just gonna take a look at Nvidia here real quick, see what it's doing. Nvidia's pulling back a bit right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
You thinking about shorts right now, Zara? We're just below. We're just coming up to the point of control. We still have a bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute here.
Music licensing.
Where is this? Right here, I guess. Yeah, right here. There's a 15-minute on bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute chart here. Kind of interesting area, anyways.
Artlist.io.
Should get a try along here, guys. See if we can't capture some of this bounce here. I just liked we bounced up. We took the 50s real quick there. Yeah, we just broke the view up there. See if we can't get up here. Yeah, I'm gonna put my, I think I'm gonna drop my stop here. Oh, it's gonna stop us out if I do it right now. Yeah, shoot. That was too slow there. Probably should have taken some of that profit there. This starts going red, I might just stop it out right away. See if they can hold this 50 level again here.
Artlist.io.
I'm not really loving it. I'm just gonna drop it there. It's gonna stop me out probably. Yeah, we got taken out there. It's all good. wanted to see more
Music
momentum there, but
licensing reimagined.
playing around in that area there. I guess I stopped it a little earlier as per usual, but made $6 back there. Shouldn't need to go with a little bit bigger size. I could have would have definitely closed the trade up here. I was up about $50 on 2 contracts. So, and yeah, we're pushing up a little bit higher here. Of course. Of course, of course.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at that. Hey guys, shoot, man. Just not my morning with these stops and stuff I've been putting in place.
Artlist.io.
Would have hit the TP there too. I had it at 373.
Music
That's too bad.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, it would have been a nice trade. Or is it a trade also? I just screwed it up.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. I don't know. I gotta like figure out a way to like not stop it out so much. There was really no reason to stop it until we got down below, down at the 40s.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, starting to pop up here a bit, guys. Also. Fair value gap's been holding on, yes.
Artlist IO.
See if we can't get a few points out of this guy here. Oops.
Music licensing reimagined.
I like the closure here on this push up. Pulling back a bit here though.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, boys, let's go pop it up here. Just need to take out this wick. All right, equal high. We took it out. Here we go. I'll probably get ready to drop my stop up here in case. Looking like we're going to get this TP, though. Uh-oh. Slapped us back down there, unfortunately. Maybe not, eh?
Music licensing reimagined.
That's too bad. Didn't quite get there. Pretty big slap off the high up there.
Artlist IO.
Kind of holding this pretty nicely right here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Minute 34 on this candle here.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
$40 seconds here.
Artlist IO.
20 seconds on this candle here. What's going to happen here, guys? Not liking that rejection up there, but if we can at least get a closure somewhere up above 37, that would be really nice. That'll give me a little little support as to why I should hold on to this trade after this.
Music licensing.
There we go.
Reimagined.
Come on, guys, pop it. Pop it good. Sort of rejecting that again here.
Artlist.io.
If we get up there, but up above this high or near this high, I'm just going to drop this stop here and make sure we lock it in. Come on, guys, let's go. There we go. Nice. Okay, got $56 on that trade.
Reimagined.
So we're only down 49 now in this evaluation account. Small base hit there. Hit win. Like I said, I just liked how we held the New York, and then obviously we've been holding this fair value gap. So when this candle closed, I liked how it
Artlist.io.
printed a little bit higher, and yeah, just like that. Quick 50.
Music licensing reimagined.
What an interesting day, though. Really just kind of seems like an inside day, right? Popped up, pulled back, popped up, pulled back. Are they going to take us higher? Possibly.
Artlist.io.
$6,800 might be the target towards the end of the day. I won't be able to stick around to then. I'm probably going to wrap it up here in the next 10-15 minutes kind of idea. This is actually a bearish fair value gap there too, right?
Artlist.io.
Yes, is yet to break the highs. We might get a break. We might get a break up there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I haven't really looked at gold very much. Gold's like looking a little bearish. Kind of gone sideways the whole since New York Open here. Pulling back to the New York VWAP right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Kind of thinking about trying to short here on the gold. Gonna wait for this to see how this reacts here at this New York VWAP. If they start rejecting and heading back down towards the low there and make sort of a bearish candle, go for a little scalp, maybe down to the 60s there, 42.60.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
On that last trade, I almost added when it was holding that.
Artlist.io.
When it was holding that that level, could have added there, but
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
there we go. ES popping up nice again here. Looking like we're trying to head for this these equal highs up here. 44. We got orders up at 44 and 45.
Artlist.io.
Feeling like I missed the boat though. Definitely going there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Getting a bit of a swipe down here. We inverted that guy, hey? So this is actually, we turned that yellow now. Because, yeah, we inverted that bearish one. Now, whether or not we think we're going to go lower here, this could be an entry, but...
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that held. It held, guys. Just don't want to chase it up here now, though. The real entry was right 38.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Okay, guys. Well, look at that. There we go. We did take those highs there. Just like that. Boom. Buying volume at that level there. 850 contracts at that level they bought.
Music licensing.
That's huge, man. Doesn't seem like we're gonna stop here. Somebody bought those orders. 850 orders there. Looks like it wants to go higher. Like we got a bunch, 700 orders came on at 48 now, which is only like 2 points away. And we got orders up at 50. But I think I gotta wrap it up here. I'm gonna quickly upload my trades here before I take off. Get this all updated. I gotta add this add trade here. We're on the 1st of the month. So this was my Lucid number 5. $50 loss there. Did I take a trade on oh yeah, I did my Lucid number 4. Didn't I? No, I didn't touch that one. That was already, let me just double check the 51,637. Okay, that's right.
Music licensing reimagined.
Took one trade here, I think. This is a top 150K straight to funded. 370, yeah, 390. Don't think I took a trade in this one. This one's at 49,988. Yeah, not there. And then I think the other trades were in these in my 150K eval on Take Profit Trader. Orders, download CSV. Yeah, it was up 858 from yesterday, and then now I'm up 1,000 something, 1,068. So $200 in there basically. 101 bucks green today. Looks like. Did I take any trades in my other accounts?
Artlist.io.
That might have been yesterday's. 51,209.
Music licensing reimagined.
$9,317. Nope. Okay. Yeah, so $181 this morning. Nothing too big.
Artlist.io.
Took a couple losses, recovered my losses mostly, and a couple wins. 70% win rate on the day. But yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in. We're just gonna wrap it up here. I got a bunch of stuff to take care of today, so I gotta hit the road. We got 10 in Randy's X, we got 9 in Nick's X. We have 2 in Randy's YouTube and 1 in my YouTube. So thanks for everybody who came and hung out. Appreciate you guys as usual. Definitely check out Top One Futures. They got 57.5% off right now. If you're looking for straight funded accounts, I would definitely recommend going that route. Lucid's got some new accounts also. So those are some new style accounts. They might be worth checking out if you're interested. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. We're going to wrap it up here. All right, Zar, you have a good day, bro. Kind of not the best trading day. Hopefully we'll get a bit of a cleaner trending day tomorrow. But that being said, thanks so much, everybody. Peace out. Have a good night or good day. And we'll see you guys back tomorrow morning live.
Music licensing reimagined.
Goodbye.